Hi, I am Jesna Sajan. Welcome to my channel Jesna's Creative Hub, where I present my AIGC videos using VI.
Vidu AI presents Q3, built for storytelling.
Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial on creative Vidu Q3 videos. Before we start, I would like to show you the different formats we can select for text to image. We will generate image based on this selection. What are the steps we take to create? First, text to image. Here you type your prompt to create the desired image. Select the type of image you would like to generate. Is it for horizontal video like YouTube or vertical reels like in Instagram? Then press create. Then image to video. Next, select Vidu Q3. And then select duration of video 1 to 16 seconds. Select option Flash or Cinematic. Note, Flash is a general creation and Cinematic is storytelling. Press Create. Wait patiently for the result.
In your eyes I found my home, every heartbeat's love in your mind.
Every moment feels softer as time. Love forever.
You pearly, you mine. That smile is still right here. Love right here, love forever.
As I found my home, every heartbeat says you're mine. Hold this love, don't let it die alone.
So you notice the difference between the two creations with the previous prompt. The second one is given step-by-step prompt. Now let's see how it actually works, the behind scenes in Vidu AI.
Presenting Q3, built for storytelling, sound and vision imagination without limits. 180p high definition.
For first-time users, to join, log in to vidu.com with the invite code. Here, we will start with text to image. You can find it on the left side of Vidu AI website. Enter your prompt. Here, I have added my prompt for this tutorial. Select aspect ratio for selecting type of image format. Here you can see the 16:9 wide image format and the prompt on the screen. You can use 16:9 or 9:16 image for your video. Now notice below the image, check the button below. You can see the image of the button we are looking for here. Select the button that says Apply Image to, select the option Image to Video. Make sure the model selected is Q3. Select the total seconds for your video, 1 second up to 16 seconds. Add your prompt of the scene you have imagined for your story or presenting video. Select the flash option or cinematic option and then press create. In this example of image 16:9 format, I am not happy with using 16:9 and I have decided to use this image in 9:16 format. What do I do? In Vidu, I have the option to change the existing image to another format using the same image. How do I do this? Watch the visual step on how to do this. You can see 5 options to choose from. Free crop, 16:9, 9:16, 4:3, 3:4 or 1:1. You can select as per your choice of image format and Vidu AI will create the video on this selected format. Here, I am cropping the image from 16:9 to 9:16. Press confirm. You can try this prompt and see the creation you will get. Thanks for watching my tutorial. You can see my videos created with Vidu Q3 and it is amazing.
Hold a smile, and your soft is right here.
Your smile's my love.
I do.
Love is forever. Hold this line, your low, it starts this time. Love forever.
Forever be my time slow. We meant a softer love is right here.
So for this tutorial I had of creating a song that talks about love. I hope you enjoyed my small tutorial on how to use texted videos and using Vidu 3. Join today. Happy creating.
In this tutorial, you saw how to create a video song using images. Also use text or image, init prompt press create. So experience the Vidu Q3 model. First, in 8 or 16 seconds today. So this about the tutorial. The tutorial, join vidu.com today.